Welcome to the another video of Charismatic Planet, Nokli Kai Falls. The tallest plunged waterfall is Nokli Kai in India with a height of 1115 feet. Nokli Kai Fall is located near Cherrapunji, which is one of the wettest places on earth. This amazing Nokli Kai Fall is fed by the rainwater collected on the summit of the somewhat small plateau and decrease in power during the dry season in December till February. The waterfall has formed a plunged pool with rare green colored water. In Khasi language, it is called Jump of Kalikai, which is actually connected to a legend about a local woman, Lakai, who jumped off the cliff next to the fall. Nokli Kai Falls made a dramatic free leap from fairly well forested drainage into a rocky base accompanied by a pretty blue pool. Most of the waterfalls in the Charanpunji area had really lost their luster outside the monsoon season. This waterfall seems to have maintained its performance. Nokli Kai Falls plays the part of a dramatic legend even if you haven't yet heard the terrible tale that led to its christening. It thunders down and crashes almost brutally onto the rocks below. Nokli Kai Waterfall is one of the 5 tallest waterfalls in the country. It roars swollen with water so that you can hear it right at the viewing gallery a fair distance away. You can't make a spontaneous visit to the bottom of the falls either. It involves a difficult trek over a number of trails through the forest. Moreover, the waterfall adds to the drama, making it almost difficult to see the falls without a layer of fog clinging to the cliff or floating protectively around the drop. The nearby village, Nokli Kai Fall, is named Ragni Yatra. The woman Kalekai resided but had to remarry after her husband died. She was in deep financial crisis with her infant girl with no means of income. Then she decided to become a porter herself. When she had to go out for work, then her work required leaving her daughter unattended for long intervals. But when she would be at home, she has spent most of her time with her daughter by taking care of her. Therefore, when she married a second time, she couldn't pay much attention to her second husband. Her husband could not bear her ignorance and felt jealous of the infant, and one day he decided to kill her and cook her meat after throwing away her head and bones. Thus, when she returned home and she saw nobody in the house but except for a meal that had been prepared, she wanted to go look for her daughter, but she ate the meat as she was tired from work. Kalikai generally had a betel leaf after her meals, but she found a detached finger near the place where she normally cut betel nuts and betel leaf. She immediately realized what had happened in her absence and went furious and got mad with anger and grief and started running as the swung a hatchet in her hand. She ran off the edge of the plateau and waterfall where she jumped off. After that, it was named Nokla Kai Falls after her. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.